Welcome to Beaumont's home kitchen. Today we're making chicken stir fry. Let's do it. Take the thighs, cut them in cubes. Chop the thighs in pieces, just like little cubes. That is perfect. Chop some mushrooms, fresh mushrooms. Chop the peppers. For the stir fry, I'm just going to cut the peppers. Rough chop. Onion. Tomatoes. Green pepper. Sort of cut in 3. Yellow bell peppers. Chop. Chopped up. Pot on for the noodles. Heat your pan up. Oil in the pan. Onions in the pan. A good amount. Garlic in the pan. 1 garlic clove or 1,000. Saute those onions up. Pepper. Salt. Saute. Toss your chicken in. Get that chicken in there. Spread out your chicken so we get it all nice and cooked up. Salt. Pepper. A little bit of Chinese 5-spice powder. Mixed with chicken and stir fries. Onion powder. Italian seasoning. Cumin. Chicken all sauteed up. Get a good amount of color on that chicken. Kind of flip the chicken over where it's, see it's still pink. Toss the peppers in. Mushrooms. Definitely need a bigger stir fry pot. Just putting everything into a bigger pot. Get all these veggies sauteed up. Everything's cooking up nice, perfect. Put our sauce in, so we'll need some honey garlic sauce, a little bit, teriyaki sauce, soy sauce, noodles in the pot. Put them both in. Get our noodles in there. Fork up our noodles. These are vermicelli noodles, rice noodles. Fork those up. We want to cook them for about 5 minutes. Stir fry's looking good. Oh yeah, noodles are looking good. Show you how we'll thicken the sauce up. Noodles are done. Stir fry's almost done. Strain your pasta. Strain the noodles. And right after the noodles come out, hit it with cold water. Keeps the noodles from sticking. Noodles there. Show you how we'll thicken our sauce up. Cornstarch slurry. It'll just make it all the sauce nice and thick. And give it a stir. Cook the cornstarch out for a few minutes. Then we have a nice thick sauce. Last thing we do is toss our tomatoes in there. Tomatoes get mushy if you put them in sooner, so let's put the tomatoes in now. Yeah, I suggest if you want to get good in the kitchen, definitely make stir fries. They're easy and a lot of chopping and dicing. Good skills. I always like to give it a taste. That's so easy to make stir fry. All right. You just heat your noodles up in the microwave for about a minute or so. Get them all hot. Stir fry sauce, chicken and everything on there. Get it all on there. Some color in there. Just gonna put a little bit of cilantro on top. Chicken stir fry. Give our dinner a try, which is our stir fry. Stir fries are so easy to make and so yummy. So I suggest if you want to get good in the kitchen, make some stir fry. Give it a try. I always like mine with vermicelli noodles, so nice. Nice stir fry. Thanks for watching Beaumont's Kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Love ya. And when you get a chance to make some lovely chicken stir fry, it's so good. And doing all those things definitely helps on my channel when you like, comment, and subscribe. What it does is it'll shoot the video out to more people, and that really helps. And it's a really good way to support the channel. And if you don't know what to comment, just leave a heart. Thanks for watching, and this is Vendor. Bye.